Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bimsola Makontrola, a YouTuber based in Lagos State, Nigeria. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. And if you are OG, thank you so much for coming. This morning I'll be making Ogi, Pap Akamu from scratch. It is something you can do at the comfort of your home with a very little amount. You can even start this as a business, as a side hustle to support your main job. And it is a very easy step, a simple step. And without further delay, let us get into the video. Here's the millet I'm using the yellow corn. I have picked this. I've sorted this out. And I'm going to soak this for 3 days. It is necessary for you to soak it, to pick it, I mean, so you can get rid of the dirt. These are the dirt I removed from this. So I'm just going to soak this for 3 days. And after 3 days, I ground, then I start sieving. I'm going to soak this for 3 days. So I'll see you in 3 days. So I've added water to it, and the bad ones will float to the top. And I'm just going to take that off like this. I'll take all this off, and I will rinse twice. And don't forget that you will have to come back every day to change the water so that it doesn't ferment. You change the water every day for the 3 days so that the maize does not ferment. Remember, we are making ogi, not fermented ogi. So I'm just going to remove all this. These are the bad ones. I'm just going to remove them off. Then after 3 days, I will go and ground. Okay, please ignore the background noise. There's a carpenter behind my house, and I don't know what they are doing there. So this is it. So I'll show you in 3 days how it looks like. I'll be giving you a daily update of how the ogi or the maize is doing. See ya. Hello guys. So this is day 2. Day 1 of soaking this. I soaked this yesterday. So this is how it is. I will remove the water now. You can see it's getting soft and yes. So this is wash this again. Take away this water and add another water so that it doesn't ferment. Yeah. So see you tomorrow, day 2 of the soaking process. Hello guys. So this is 3 days later. I have washed very well. I would add my ginger. So this is how it is after 3 days. It is still very hard, but the industrial blender will grind it. So I'll take this to the grinder. I'll blend it and I'll come back and save it. So the next time you see me at the grinder place. So this is it. This is it after 3 days. I washed it very well this morning, so I'll just add my ginger to it. You can add anything you want to add to it. You can add cloves, you can add kanafu, you can add ginger and garlic. But I just want to keep it simple, so add garlic to it alone. You can as well blend it like this if you don't want to add anything to it. You can add dry pepper too if you want it to be peppery. Yes, it now depends on your own type, your taste, and what you want to use it for. See ya later.